Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Wi-Fi mesh system step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Google Wi-Fi mesh system. Take out the main Wi-Fi point and any additional points you have. Plug in the primary Wi-Fi point to a power outlet. Connect the primary point to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Make sure the modem is powered on. Wait for the light on the primary point to pulse orange. Once it turns solid white, you're ready to set it up. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on Add and select Set up Device. Choose Set up new devices in your home. Select your home if prompted or allow the app to locate the primary Wi-Fi point. Once found, tap Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the Wi-Fi point. Name your Wi-Fi network and create a password. Make sure to keep these details for future use. After confirming the details, the app will begin setting up your network. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, the app will notify you that the setup is successful. Now, plug in the additional Wi-Fi points in different areas of your home. Place them in locations where you experience weaker signals. Make sure they are at least 2 rooms away from the primary point. Wait for the lights on the additional points to pulse orange. Once they turn solid white, they are ready to connect. Open the Google Home app again. Tap on Add and select Set up Device. Choose Set up new devices in your home. Follow the prompts to add each additional point. Wait for each point to be added to your network. Once all points are set up, test the network in various areas of your home. If you encounter any issues, use the Google Home app for troubleshooting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.